Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells HC4040 5-in-1 multi-styling kit. So you can see there are these transparent areas on the box and you can see all the components through this. I will give you a closer look at all of them. It also says home service within 24 hours. In this case, somehow if this gets damaged, then you can get a home service in 24 hours. A lot of information on this box. I will show you the there you go. A lot of information on this side of the box. It lists out the different components. Basically, we have a straightener, a crimper, a 1.9 centimeters curler, a conical curler, and a brush comb. There's total of 5 attachments. It's called a 5-in-1 multi-styling kit. Do we have anything else? Yes, maximum temperature is 190 degrees. Ceramic coated attachments ensures frizz-free shiny hair, 2 years of guarantee, and worldwide voltage. Use the product safely anywhere in the world. So this is something that you can use anywhere in the world. That's a good addition. I will open this and show you what's inside. We also have operating instructions and guarantee card from Havells. Closer look. There you go. This also comes with warranty, as you can see. It has a lot of information, including operating instructions, warnings, change of attachment, how to use, etc., and also how to style your hair. Certain kind of styles. There's also cleaning and maintenance and cautionary notes mentioned over here as well. You should read this at least once, and you should keep this document safe. Now let's take a look at the components here. These are the different components. You will notice there are 4 of them, but there are actually 5. I'll show you what they are. Okay, we have the straightener. Let's quickly take a look. First up, we have the straightener attachment. So this is basically your straightener. It looks like a mini straightener basically. As you can see, you pinch it open like so, and you can see the ceramic plates right over here. This one little thing is that you can actually pull these plates out like so and reverse it just like this. So now that I have reversed the ceramic plates, you have a crimper. This is your second attachment. This is also made out of ceramic plates. This too has a maximum temperature of 190 degrees. We'll leave this over here. These are 2 attachments on one particular component. Next we have the conical straightener. So the conical curler, as you can see, this is used for curling your hair. Then we have this one. This is a brush comb for when you want to straighten and brush your hair at the same time. Very weird. Yeah, there you go. You twist and pull. So this is basically your brush comb. This can only be attached to this one. This is basically your 1.9 centimeter curler. This also comes with heating elements, as you can see, a straightener element, and this too is made out of ceramic. Okay, one thing to notice in both these curlers, there are these cool touch tips right over here. So the idea is that even when this is hot, you'll be able to hold this curler like so, just like this. There you go. And finally, let's take a look at the main unit. So this is the main unit, the heating element. This is there's a 40 watt heating element inside, and you basically fix all your attachments right over here like so. There you go. It's fixed now. It's a little tight because it's an absolutely new product, so it's a little tight, but this is it. Notice that this particular unit comes with a ergonomic shape handle. It also has this black and chrome color combination going with it. This is basically the power on off button, and there is an LED indicator right over here. This also comes with this 360 degree cord, which brings me to the power cord itself. This is at least a 1.5 meter long PVC power cable. Removing it is just as simple as putting it in. Just press this and pull. Yeah, there you go. It's a little tight. This is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Havells HC4040 5-in-1 multi-styling kit. Thank you for watching.